Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to edit avatar on Facebook. Do you want to send your reacts with reactions of your own cartoon face? Okay, let's make an avatar to do it. First open your Facebook app. Then tap on here at the top right corner. Tap on this search bar and type avatar. Select this option here. Okay, first we have to select skin tone for our avatar. Next we have to select hair style for our avatar. Here select hair color. Here select face shape and jawline. Select face markings and you can adjust your avatar on your own with those settings. After creating your avatar, tap on here to end the process and save your avatar. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.